Hey, Casey, we're about to do a TikTok.
Sorry.
Now we gotta start all over again.
Hey, you think I could be in it?
Are you kidding me? No way. Look at what you're wearing. Is that last year's Animal Crossing t-shirt?
Why?
No one plays that anymore. It's Minecraft. Do your parents support that they can't even get you a new t-shirt?
My dad isn't around. My mom lost her job. Things have been...
Here, Gordon. Here are those clothes I was telling you about.
Thanks, Mrs. Henry.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything else, okay?
Okay.
Is everything okay out here?
Oh, yeah. Everything's fine, Miss Henry. We're just being boys. Playing around.
Okay.
Wait, don't tell me those are used clothes.
Hey!
Now I know why all your clothes are so old. Can't get them used. I gotta tell everybody. Hey, everyone!